Many bathrooms are constructed using bituminous torch-applied waterproofing method. Aside from being complicated, this process leads to a waterproofing application that is not very durable. After some years, this practice leads to cracks and leaks that affect the whole house. The traditional way to repair this is to take the tiles out and take off the original bituminous waterproofing product, then replace it with a new layer. This is not only very expensive, but very inconvenient. Now that problem is solved. Introducing Primero Bitumen, the professional-grade bitumen designed to solve waterproofing problems brought about by bituminous waterproofing. This can be used to waterproof new houses and buildings, as well as the quick repair for bituminous torch-applied waterproofing problems. One of the strengths of the Primero Bitumen is its ease of application. Let's see how easy it is. First, thoroughly clean the area. Make sure that there are no loose particles. Let us now begin. Set the surface area that needs to be waterproof. Prepare the required quantity of Primero Bitumen over the whole surface area. Pour Primero Bitumen. Then use a trowel to help spread the application. Let it settle to level the whole surface area of application. Broadcast fine sand on top of the application to make it semi-rough. Let it dry for at least 48 hours to fully cure. Perform a flood testing for at least a day to check for possible leaks. Cover the whole application with at least 2 inches of cement or concrete tiles. The amazing benefits of using Primero Bitumen are ready-to-use product and ease of application. Unlike traditional torch-applied bitumen, there is no need to heat the material for preparation. Just apply. No need for primer. For additional strength, the use of Primero fiberglass mesh is recommended. If you want the strength of a bituminous waterproofing solution without the hassle, trust Primero Bitumen.